y'all doing today? We got a good one for you. We're doing Texas Twinkies with a twist. So y'all saw a while back we did this smoked Boston butt pork roast on the smoker. It was a beautiful thing. We got some left, so guess what? We're going to twist it into some jalapenos, cover it with some cream cheese, wrap it in bacon, and call it a Texas Twinkie, baby. Get excited. Let's get going. Very simple ingredients. We've got jalapeno. We've got some cream cheese. We've got that beautiful smoked pork Boston butt. And we got some bacon. We're going to wrap this baby up, put it on the smoker. Away we go. We're going to take a jalapeno and we're going to seed it. So you just basically are cutting the jalapeno in half. And as you can see, it has the seeds in it like that. So you're going to come, I use just a spoon and just go right down the middle. And you just pop them seeds right out, just like that. And you clean all that little white stuff out right there. And there you go. First step, we're going to take some of this nice smoked pork. And we're going to go right in to this jalapeno boat. Just get it all nice tucked in there real good. Oh, we're going to go just a little bit more. All right. Look at that. Smoked pork. Cream cheese. We're going to lay our cream cheese right across the top, just like that. So here we go. Bacon. We're going to take our bacon and make a nice wrap right around it, just like this. We've got our toothpick right through the side. It's going to hold that together, hold it nice and tight. We're going to make a bunch of these on the smoker they go. Get ready, we're going to put this on the smoker. I'm going to leave them on for about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on them. I just want to watch that bacon get crispy around that jalapeno and that beautiful stuffing. Get ready, go into the smoker. We'll be right back. All right, guys, you saw how simple this was. Off the pit is out there about 30 minutes on the smoker. Can't wait to try. Very easy recipe. Let's dig in. So delicious. That cream cheese is melted. The smokiness from that Boston butt pork roast. Man, just what a delight. What a delight. These are great appetizers. People eat the hell out of these when you bring them to a party. Oh, look, I got one coming in now. I can't wait. They're already after them. Listen, guys. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this recipe. We can't wait to see you back for another episode of Cooking with Cookie. Get ready. It's good season coming. Yet, yo.